Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you computer. That is first chapter, evolution of computer. So, first topic is history of computer. To do calculation of large amount of data led to invention of different calculating device right from abacus. Abacus. The abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations. It was developed in China. Do you remember what an abacus looked like? Yes, it was made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts. The upper part was known as heaven and the lower part was known as earth. Counting on the abacus can be done by sliding the beads across the rod. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next calculating device is Pascal adding machine. In the year 1642, French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented an adding machine called Pascal calculator. It used gears, wheels and dials. Children, do you know how does it works? It could handle decimal values by rotating a wheel from 1 to 9 steps. It was used for addition and subtraction. Taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. In 1671, the famous German mathematician improved on Pascal machine. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division and square root.
Early IT inventors. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was a British mathematician. He is also known as a father of computer. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. These units work like the modern computer. Store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the unit. Next early IT inventors were Augusta Ada Lovelace. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and writer. She also known as a first programmer. Next, George Boole. George Boole was an English mathematician. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of positive or negative answered questions and linked them with the binary system. It resulted in 1 for positive answer and 0 for negative answer. This system known as the Boolean logic. Next early IT inventors, Dr. Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the desired output. The input was given through punch cards. The punch cards were used to record and store data or information. Next, IT inventors, John von Neumann. He developed a software that is written in binary code. Next, Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence control calculator, the Mark I, in 1944. It was capable to execute long computations automatically. ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, the first general purpose electronic digital computer was invented by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert in 1946. Next, UNIVAC I. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer I. Was the world's first commercial available computer designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. Next topic is generation of computers. What is generation? The evolution of computers occurred in a stage which are called generation. The first generation computers developed between 1940 to 56.
Circuitry, vacuum tubes for data input, punch cards and paper tapes for data output, printouts, external storage, magnetic tapes. The language used in a first generation machine and assembly. The example of a first generation computer is UNIVAC, ENIAC, EDVAC. Second generation computers during 1956 to 63, circuitry, transistors for data input, punch cards and paper tapes for data output, printout and for external storage, magnetic tape. Second generation language used Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PL1. The examples of second generation computer IBM 1400, 700 series, IBM 350. Third generation computers during 1964 to 71. Circuitry, integrated circuit. Data input, keyboard for data output, monitor. For external storage, magnetic disk. Third generation language used, sophisticated operating system were used, Pascal, Fortran, COBOL and RPG. Third generation computers, example IBM System 360, Apple I, Altair. Fourth generation period 1972 to present. Microprocessor VLSI for data input, keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. For data output, monitor, printers, speaker. For external storage, magnetic disk with higher capacity. Language used in fourth generation, use of special software for maintaining large database, RDBMS, C++ in 1985. The examples of fourth generation computer, Cray 1/2, Apple II, VAX 9000. Fifth generation computer and beyond with artificial intelligence SLSI for data input, optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence, capacity to think and reason. Language used in a fifth generation understand human speech, recognize patterns like faces and other complex images.